To add an indicator in Tradingview, start by opening the platform and navigating to the chart you want to work with. Click on the Indicators button located at the top of the screen. This will open the indicator window where you can browse and search for indicators. In the indicator window, you can browse through the various categories of indicators, such as trend, momentum, and volatility. You can also use the search bar to find a specific indicator by name. Once you have found the indicator you want to add, click on it and then click the Create button. This will open the indicator settings window, where you can customize the indicator to suit your needs. Here you can adjust the parameters, such as the length and source of the indicator, as well as the color and style of the plot. Once you have made your adjustments, click the Apply button to add the indicator to your chart. You can add multiple indicators to your chart by repeating the process. To remove an indicator, simply click on the cross button next to the indicator name in the indicator window. You can also use the Pine editor to create your own custom indicators using the Pine programming language. When using indicators, it is essential to understand what each indicator is measuring and how it can be used to inform your trading decisions. It is also important to use indicators in combination with other forms of analysis, such as chart patterns and fundamental analysis, to get a complete view of the market. By following these steps and using indicators effectively, you can enhance your trading strategy and make more informed decisions. Remember to always test your indicators and strategies using historical data before applying them. To live markets.